Hello all, welcome to this session, and today is very important session because app creation will take some time, but how this app will look like, what all components we are going to use, this will help you understand a lot of fundamental components. So as you can see that on this screen, I have designed a wireframe or initial design which talks about multiple things. Like one is how the backend should look like, and then how the front-end designing will be done. So I have used this draw.io platform. This is free and this is drag and drop. They provide a lot of good features where from the general iOS mockups you can pick and choose anything that you need. I find it quite useful. Please. So if you are using the same, please let us know and share your experience, and if you think that there are some better wireframe designing tools, so help us knowing about that as well. So let's see what we have on the backend side. How I am planning, I'll be using Firebase authentication for user management and authentication part, where as you can see that this will be mobile number based. So someone will type in their mobile number, they will receive OTP using which they should be able to log in. But for rest of the UI, I'll be using AWS stack. So while learning Flutter, you should be also follow me for how the serverless architecture on AWS will be created, which means it will be cost effective, it will be scalable, and that is a right way to code on the backend. Also, you guys can share your experience if you choose, or if there is any suggestion. I'm open for any suggestions here. Then on the UI side, I'm just thinking this to be a very simple application with 3 menu options at the bottom, where home are their values, and then view cart option directly to jump from. There. So any feedback, any suggestions, feel free to add and reach out to me through comment or whatever medium you find easy. And then on the second one, we have cart, where we will just show the total value of the cart, and then there will be a detail of this cart will be available. So item name, value, and total item value, and number of items. This will be easier to delete from scrolling this to left or right. You will find multiple other options where someone should be able to delete or edit it. Whereas if cart looks okay, so the user should be able to open this order now. So on order now, it will ask a couple of details like address, preference, slots, something like this, and then it will be ordered. Once it is ordered, there will be a separate tab to track number of orders given. So it will just comprise a couple of recent orders where actions are possible. So like canceling an order if it is already ordered up to a certain position. So I'll think about those complexities, will write in here, but this is how overall things look like. And any feedback, any suggestions, anything that I should or am not like currently considering, let me know. Any feedback. So after this, as you can see that this will be a good learning from end-to-end applications perspective. So stick to the schedule. See you in the next session. Thank you.